ahead, Bex. Open the door. Go ahead, open it. Open. Go ahead, open. 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 Yeah. Go ahead, you can open the door. Don't worry about her. Go open the door. I think he's falling for you, Matilda. Go ahead, Bex. Go ahead. Go in there.